Hey everyone, it's Julie from Griot's Garage, and today we're here to talk about our new Boss pressure washer nozzles. Made of T304 marine grade stainless steel, they are exceptionally corrosion resistant, and then they also come in two different orifice sizes depending on which pressure washer you have. So if you've got a pressure washer with 1.9 GPMs or smaller, you're going to want the 2.5, and if you've got a pressure washer with 2 GPMs or more, then you're going to want the 4.0. The 40-degree fan pattern is for when you'd like wide, gentle cleaning. The 25-degree green fan pattern is your workhorse for general purpose, concentrated cleaning, and then the 15-degree is for highly concentrated, powerful cleaning. Our Boss pressure washer nozzles come with a flexible rubber shroud that's going to help absorb and dissipate force. Not that you would need that. The Boss pressure washer nozzles are an excellent upgrade to any pressure washer system. Thanks for watching, and for more information, you can go to griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage.